Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the shifting shell stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the extended single crochet, and the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4 plus 2. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, you're going to make an extended single crochet into the second chain from your hook. So insert your hook into that chain, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over, take that through one loop only. Then yarn over and take that through the last 2 loops to make that extended single crochet stitch. Into the next chain, you're going to make 3 half double crochets, all into that chain together. Now we're going to get into our sequence. Skip 2 chains, into this next one, make that extended single crochet. And then into this next chain, make 3 half doubles. And that's our sequence. So we're now going to start repeating. Skip 2 chains, into this next one, make an extended single crochet. Then into this next chain, make 3 half doubles. Skip 2 chains, into this next one, extended single crochet. Then into this next chain, 3 half doubles. Skip 2 chains, into this next one, extended single crochet. Into this next chain, 3 half doubles. Once you reach the end of your row, you're going to skip to the last chain in this row and make an extended single crochet in that last chain to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of this row, you're going to make an extended single crochet. Now into the next stitch, you're going to make 3 half doubles. So you can already see how the sequence for this row is going to be the same as row 1. We're just working into stitches instead of chains. So we're going to start our sequence here, skip 2 stitches, into this next one, make an extended single crochet. Then into the next stitch, make 3 half double crochets, all into that stitch together. Skip 2 stitches, into this next one, extended single crochet. Make 3 half doubles into this next stitch, all together. You can see how everything is looking so far. Skip 2 stitches, into this next one, make that extended single crochet. Then into the next stitch, make 3 half double crochets, all into that next stitch together. Skip 2 stitches, into this next one, extended single crochet. Into this next stitch, 3 half double crochets. Once you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 3 stitches left. Over here is a stitch. So you're going to skip these 2 stitches right here. Then into this last stitch, you're going to make an extended single crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the shifting shell stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.